Alright guys, I am in my living room. When I clamped my living room up, I was so tired I didn't get a chance to do my china cabinet. So I'm just going to take everything out, wash all my glasses and containers and my shelves, mirrors, everything. So get all the rest of my glasses. Those glasses washed. I'm going to wash these, let them dry, and then I'm going to clean the cabinet. Guys, so I am done with the china cabinet. I made to a bar. This is so pretty. I got enough set. Ooh, I want chocolate. I know. And this one is done.
Oh, it's so good. Did you show the people what you was wearing today?
No, I ain't wearing mine. 2 for end table. And then that fat round one with a mirror. Oh, the top or the bottom. Hey y'all, I'm just coming back from Aldi's, Target, and Sam's Club. So, Sam's Club, I got some bananas, some pristine grapes. I got some, oh, they say blackberries. Blackberries. I got a thing of croissants. I had a pack of muffins until my daughter got some, so don't mind those. I got some bread, Sara Lee honey wheat, and I got some celery sticks. Ooh, this is gonna be so good tonight, y'all. Some chicken salad. I got some spinach dip, artichoke dip, and I also got some crab ragoon dip. Okay, gonna be so good. And then this is for dinner. This shells and white cheddar. I got some maple syrup for the pancakes. And I got some toffee and coconut cashews for snacks tonight. I'm going to try this cane sugar. My daughter wants me to start using regular sugar. So we're going to try that, see how that tastes in my tea. I got a chopped salad for tonight. Strawberries. I got some tomatoes as well as some cucumbers. I got a dozen of eggs. And I got some chicken breast bites, lightly breaded. I got some honey and vanilla flavored nut and fruit clusters. I also got a roasted chicken for dinner. And I got my husband some Oinko yogurt. All right, guys. I'm about to make this mac and cheese and this chopped salad for dinner. to mix in there. I'm so glad they little. Put all that in there. Spinach and cucumber. Yes. I'm gonna put some milk in there. Let me get my seasonings. This stir and the cheese melt a little. Turn it out down some. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And I will see you guys when I get back. All right, people. I'm gonna cut this chicken up so my babies can have dinner. And then I think I'm gonna be ending this vlog for this week today, because I want to start another one tomorrow. Oh, it's so tender, y'all. Do y'all see this? I ain't even gotta cut it this big. Guys, that is it. Do y'all see how tender this is? Let me get that. I need to. Whoa. What happened? Cheesy and creamy. Salad. Okay. Here, getting that whole breast. It's macaroni, white cheddar. Macaroni at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment down below. I would appreciate it. Bye, guys.